Why choose ceramic brake pads?
So there are a couple of reasons why customers now prefer the ceramic formula over the semi-metallic. And the first reason is noise issues. So semi-metallic actually contains more metallic compound within the composition of the brake pad. And so what happens is when you press your brakes, it's kind of like metal rubbing on metal, which you get that squeaking sound. Some people don't care for it, but a lot of people do, and so that's why ceramic is the more premium option. The second thing is brake dust. So if you guys notice around your rims, certain times, if you put your finger against your rim, you'll see a black line of brake dust. With ceramic formula, you actually won't see that as it's not as visible, so people also choose that as the more cleaner option. And the last thing is that ceramic is softer and less abrasive on your rotors, so it makes your rotors actually last longer. And yeah, those are the three main benefits of why you should choose ceramic.